Good afternoon, students. This is MC sir. It is our second class. So in last class, we discussed that concept is measurement. What is measurement? What is quantity? How many types of quantities? What is the meaning of physical quantity? What is the formula of physical quantity? How many system of physical quantities are there? How many system of physical quantities? There are three system of physical quantities: fundamental physical quantities, derived physical quantity, third one supplementary physical quantity. Yes or no? Then last class we discussed that fundamental physical quantity, derived physical quantity, and the supplementary physical quantities. Yes or no? First I can ask one small question. How many number of fundamental physical quantities are there? How many number of fundamental physical quantities are there? There are 7 fundamental physical quantities. There are 7 fundamental physical quantities. What is the symbolic representation of time? What is the symbolic representation of time? Capital T. Symbolic representation of time, capital T. What is the symbolic representation of mass? Symbolic representation of mass, capital M. Symbols required to understanding that physical quantity. L means length. Okay, M means mass. T means time. Next one, here I represents electric current. Next one, theta represents temperature. So like that, we have to given some symbols for fundamental physical quantities. Total, how many symbols given for that 7 fundamental physical quantities? 7 symbols. Units for fundamental physical quantities are called as fundamental units. How many units we have to consider for that 7 fundamental physical quantity? 7 fundamental units. Meter, kilogram, second, next one ampere, next one Kelvin, next one amount mole, next one candela. Okay, these 7 units related to 7 fundamental physical quantities. That units also we have to express with the help of symbols. These are meters, small m, kilogram, kg, next time, smallest second, next one, amount of substance, MOL, next one, another point. Here, electric current, capital E, temperature, capital K, okay, candela, CD, candela, CD. These all are fundamental units symbols. Already we discussed this. Next, another concept is multiple and submultiples. Multiples and submultiples. Already I explained that concept for you, multiples and submultiples. What is the use of multiples? Multiples are used to explain large values. Multiples are used to explain large values. Submultiples are used to explain small values. So we have to consider that macro values. Macro values. Macro is nothing but large values. Macro value. Okay, so macro values. For macro values, we have to use multiples values. So for example, here 1000 kilometer. So 1000 meter. Just identify here 1000 meter. In this value, which one is prefix? Which one is multiple? We have to identify that prefix is 1000. Prefix is 1000. But multiple value we have to represent 10 to the power of 3. Okay, here 10 to the power of 3 we have to express with the base and the power. Okay, multiple we have to express with the base and the power. Here base is fixed on. Here base is fixed. You have to identify this point. Base is fixed. Power changes. Power changes depending on a prefix. We have to change that power. Here, how many number of zeros we consider? 1, 2, 3. How many number of zeros? 1, 2, 3. Then what is the power? 3. In case we have to consider 10 meter. What is the power value? What is the power value? 10 to the power of 1. Base constant, but power changes. That power value depending on prefix. We have to consider 100 meters. What is the power? 10 to the power of 3. Okay, the next one, 10,000 meter. What is the power value? 10 to the power of 4. 1 lakh we have to consider how many zeros? 10 to the power of 5 meter means we have to represent 10 to the power of 5 meter. So here 10 to the power of 6 means 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs means 10 to the power of 6. Sir, no. 1 crore. 1 crore equal to how many zeros? 7 zeros. 7 zeros. Okay, so 10 to the power of 7. 10 to the power of 7. These all are prefix values. Okay, these all are prefix. This prefix we can explain in with multiples. Multiples are very, very important for explaining that large physical quantity. You can easy to understand. So you can just identify 1000 meter. 1000 means kilo. 1000 means kilo. Yes or no? Kilometer. Kilometer. Yes or no? So we have to observe that views in YouTube. 433K views. 433K views. K means 1000. Kilo means 1000. It is language. This one language only. For understanding about that number of views, we have to use that K. K means kilo. K means kilo views. Then some interview purpose. How much salary are you expecting? 30K, 40K, 50K, 60K. What is the meaning? 50K, 30K, 40K. 30K means 30,000. Okay, 30 kilo. 30 kilo rupees. Kilo nothing but 1000. 30,000. 30K means 30,000. 20K means 20,000. Nowadays, our generation using that words for confusing that all peoples, uneducated peoples, are all uneducated peoples. So they will getting that confusion with these multiples. Generally, they know that meaning 10,000, 10 lakhs, okay, 1 crore. Every prefix value, do you know? Yes or no? Every prefix value they know, but only we have to identify for confusing purpose. They can use that so multiple values. Okay, students, you have to identify this small confusing multiple symbols. Kilo means how much? 10 to the power of 3. Already I explained this multiples and submultiples. Once again, we have to discuss this multiples and submultiples. We have to note down these multiples and submultiples. Here, first one, multiples, we have to write multiples. First one, here, 10 to the power of 1. 10 to the power of 1 means deca. 10 to the power of 1 means deca. Okay, symbol, small d, small a, symbol, small d, small a. Next one, 10 to the power of 2, 10 to the power of 2. Here, 10 to the power of 2 means hecto. 10 to the power of means hecto. Here, hecto symbol small h. Hecto symbol small h. And next one, 10 to the power of 3. 10 to the power of 3. 10 to the power of 3 means kilo. Symbol capital K. Capital K. Next one, 10 to the power of 6. 10 to the power of 6. Mega. 10 to the power of 6. Mega. Symbol capital letter M. Capital letter M. 10 to the power of 9. 10 to the power of 9. Giga. 10 to the power of 9. Giga. Okay, symbol capital letter G. Capital letter G. 10 to the power of 12. 10 to the power of 12. Tera. Okay, symbol capital letter T. Just to identify this condition, here multiples they given. Multiples we have to explain with base and power. Yes, sir. Base and power. Here base is constant for all these multiples, but power changes. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 12. But that power is positive or negative. That power is not required at all. Okay, here that power is positive. That power is positive. So just identify. So power is positive. It is one hint. So in case we have to consider that power is negative, you can getting that submultiple values. So now we are discussing that multiples only. For multiples, we are getting that power is positive. We are getting that power is positive. So here 10 to the power of 1 means deca. 1 decameter. 1 decameter. So in examination, they will give that value. 1 decameter. DA means deca. M means meter. 1 decameter equal to dash meter. 1 decameter equal to dash meter. So 1 deca value equal to 10 to the power of 1. 1 deca value equal to 10 to the power of 1. Next one, here 1 hectometer. Hectometer means 1 hectare. 1 hectare equal to 100 meter into 100 meter. We have to represent 1 hectometer. Hectometer HM we have to identify. 1 HM. H represents hecto. Hecto value how much? 10 to the power of 2. 10 to the power of 2 meter. 1 hectometer. Next one, 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer we have to represent km. Kilo means 10 to the power of 3. 10 to the power of 3 meter. 10 to the power of 3 into meter. Next one, here mega. Mega meter. Symbol M. Capital letter M. Symbolic representation of mega. Capital letter M. Mega meter. Mega meter. 10 to the power of 6 meter. 10 to the power of 6 meter. Next one, 1 gigameter. Here we have to identify giga symbol capital letter G, small m. Capital letter G and small m. So capital GM represents 10 to the power of 9 meter. Okay, next to another multiple, 1 terameter. 1 terameter. 1 terameter equal to 10 to the power of 12 meters. 10 to the power of 12 meters. Just you have to identify these 6 multiple values. Okay, they cannot give directly decameter, hectometer, kilometer, megameter, gigameter, and terameter. They can give that values with the symbols. So nowadays you are observing these all values in our general life with the symbols only. We don't use these multiple names. Yes or no? 1K meter, 1 small h meter, 1 capital M meter, 1 capital G meter, 1 capital T meters. What is the meaning? We don't know. You are one good educated student, then you can identify. Otherwise, you cannot understanding about this mathematical language. Yes or no? So you can learn these points. This is the importance of these multiples in our general life. We want to learn this so small multiple values. Note down these points. Okay, next one. Next one, want to discussing about that submultiples. Next one, we have to discussing about that submultiples. Okay, submultiples. Next one, we have to discuss submultiples. First one, we have to identify deci. First one, deci. 10 to the power of minus 1. 10 to the power of minus 1 represents deci. Next one, symbol of deci, small letter d. Small letter d. Next one, so 10 to the power of minus 2. 10 to the power of minus 2. So here 10 to the power of minus 2 represents centi. 10 to the power of minus 2 represents centi. Symbol for centi, small letter c. Next one, so here 10 to the power of minus 3. 10 to the power of minus 3 represents milli. 10 to the power of minus 3 represents milli. Symbol for milli is small letter m. Small letter m. Next submultiple 10 to the power of minus 6. 10 to the power of minus 6. 10 to the power of minus 6 means micro. 10 to the power of minus 6 micro. Symbol for micro mu. It is very, very important symbol. So symbol for micro mu, mu. Okay, mu, mu, mu. Don't forget this pronunciation. So we can identify this symbol repeatedly in a mathematics problems. Okay, next one, 10 to the power of minus 9. 10 to the power of minus 9. Nano. 10 to the power of minus 9. Nano. So here nano means small. Nano means nano cost. Generally, you have to identify that nano cost. Nano means smallest value. So 10 to the power of minus 9. Okay, so we have to represent that symbol small n. Represent that symbol small n. Next one, 10 to the power of minus 12. 10 to the power of minus 12. Pico. Okay, so what is the name? Pico. So here symbol for pico. So here capital letter P. Next another multiple. Another multiple. 10 to the power of minus 15. 10 to the power of minus 15. Femto. So here just identify femto. Symbol for femto small f. Symbol for femto small f. Next 10 to the power of minus 18. Atto. Okay, 10 to the power of minus 18 auto symbol small a. Just everyone, you have to identify these submultiple values. In submultiples, we have to identify base is common. Base is common. So just identify your base is 10. Yes, or no? Your base is 10 only. But power value, we can identify that power value minus 6. Power value minus 6. Here, power value you are getting minus values. Here, 10 to the power of minus 1, 10 to the power of minus 2, 10 to the power of minus 3, 10 to the power of minus 6, 10 to the power of minus 9, 10 to the power of minus 12, all are is having negative powers. Are having negative powers. You can just identify. Okay, here 10 to the power of minus 1, nothing but 10 to the power of minus 1, that is equal to 1 by 10. That is equal to 1 by 10. But 1 by 10 value equal to 0.1. Okay, just identify. You have to do any mathematical problem. To use and 10 to the power of minus 1 you have to use. During reading time, generally we have to use this submultiple language. Submultiple language. During calculation time, you have to use that value 1 by 10 and 0.1. Yes, 1 by 10 you have to use and 0.1 you have to use for finding the answers. But during the submultiple language, what is that submultiple language? Just I can give some examples for you. Just identify. 1 decimeter. What is the symbol for deci? Small d. Symbol for deci? Small d. Decimeter. What is the value of decimeter? What is the value of decimeter? Deci means 10 to the power of minus 1. So right here, 10 to the power of minus 1 meter. Deci means 10 to the power of minus 1. Okay, now we have to convert this value. 10 to the power of minus 1 means 1 by 10 meter or 0.1 meter. Okay, it is language, it is value. Okay, we have to convert that language into numerical value. 1 decimeter equal to 10 to the power of minus 1 meter. So 10 to the power of minus 1, you have to write 1 by 10. 1 by 10 value equal to 0.1 meter. Understood, students? Okay, next, another one we have to identify 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. 1 centi value equal to how much? 10 to the power of minus 2 meter. 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. You have to write this 10 to the power of minus 2, 1 by 100 meter. 1 by 100 meter. But 1 by 100 meter equal to how much? Very good. 0.01 meter. 0.01 meter. Yes or no? Next, 1 millimeter. This type of questions I observed many problems in physics. Okay, 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter. Here just identify 1 millimeter. Directly did not given this word milli. They only can represent symbols. 1 millimeter. Here both are same only. First letter small, second letter small. But we have to identify first letter is submultiple. Second letter is unit. Okay, don't get confusion here. Here first letter submultiple. Students are getting doubt in this condition on submultiple. Second one unit. Second one unit. Understood? So here using that symbols are same. First condition and the second condition. But you have to identify in first condition, here M means submultiple. Second condition, M means unit. 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter means 10 to the power of minus 3 meter. 10 to the power of minus 3 meter. 1 millimeter equal 10 to the power of minus 3 meter. So that is equal to 1 by 1000 meter. 1 by 1000 meter. But 1 by 1000 equal to 1 by 1000 equal to how much? 0.001. 0.001 meter. Understood? So 1 millimeter value equal to 0.001. Have you identify this condition? Okay, we are using that submultiple language for units. Okay, 1 millimeter equal to how much? That value we have to consider 0.001 meter only. Understood? You have need of note down this. So problems. Note down this example conditions, very important. Example 1, example 2. Okay, next one, example 3. Example 3. Okay, students, I have one small doubt. Before condition, I used that unit of length, meter. Yes or no? Here, multiples and submultiples only applicable to length. Yes or no? You have to say answer. It is not applicable to only for length. It is applicable to all physical quantities. It is applicable to all physical quantities in physics. Yes or no? Here, nanosecond. We have to identify nano symbol N. Yes. Nanosecond. So what is the value? 10 to the power of minus 9. Second represents standard unit of time. Standard units of time. It is not a length. Standard unit of time. Nanosecond. Nano value 10 to the power of minus 9. You have to write yes. Second. Next one. Micro ampere. Micro ampere. Here micro means 10 to the power of minus 6. We have to identify this point. 10 to the power of minus 6 ampere. Ampere is the standard unit of electric current. Can you identify this point? Okay, here submultiples applicable to all physical quantities. It applicable to fundamental physical quantity. It is applicable to derived physical quantity. It is applicable to supplementary physical quantity. Yes or no? Okay, so it is not only applicable to length. It is applicable to all physical quantity. Okay, students. So just identify this point. Now we want to discuss now some practical unit of length. Some practical unit of length. This practical unit of length are multiples. Okay, so just identify practical unit of length. Practical unit of length. Now, practically, we want to calculate length. Okay, that length we have to given one name. Okay, what are the names we want to discuss? So first one. So here we can just identify our solar system. In our solar system, at center we have to consider sun. Yes, sir? So next another one, Earth. We have to identify Earth. In our solar system, how many number of planets are there? Total 9 number of planets. Yes or no? Here just identify Earth is revolving around the sun in elliptical orbit. Which orbit? Elliptical orbit. Here we want to find out that separation distance between center of the sun to center of the earth. Center of the sun to center of the earth. So that distance we want to calculate with the help of practical method. The help of practical method. Many methods are there. Triangulation method is there. Another one, formula method is there. Okay, triangulation method is used to calculate large distance. Is used to calculate large distance. We want to construct two similar triangles. Then you have to find out that separation distance between center of the sun to center of the earth. Another one, you have to use that method. So here, radius r is equal to radius r equal to here f is equal to mv square by r, but r equal to mv square by f. Formula method we have to find out that radius of so elliptical orbit, or you have to find that so the separation distance from center of the sun to earth with the triangulation method. Okay, so some scientists are explaining this length from center of the sun to center of the earth is 1 astronomical unit. 1 astronomical unit. AU. Symbol for 1 astronomical unit is 1 AU. AU means separation distance between sun and earth. Separation distance between sun and earth represents 1 astronomical unit. 1 astronomical unit is 1 multiple value. Is one multiple values. Okay, just identify this one. Practical unit of length. Some practical unit of length we have to represent with this symbol sign. Here 1 AU is 1 astronomical unit. It is multiple value. What is that multiple value we have to identify? Here 1 astronomical unit value 1.5 into 10 to the power of 11 meter. 1.5 into 10 to the power of 11 meter. Okay, students, just identify this point. An astronomical unit means separation distance between sun and earth. It represents a symbol 1 AU. 1 AU equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power of 11 meter. Understood? Note down this point. Okay. Are you identified? Note down this point. 1 astronomical unit. Unit equal to 1.5 into 10 to the power of 11 meter. 1.5 into 10 to the power of 11 meter. Note down this point. Next one we have to discussing about that light year. Next one we have to discussing about that light year. So it's also very important practical unit of length. 1 light year. Okay, here just identify. So our students are getting confusion in this word only. Year means 1 365 1/4 day. Yes or no? It represents time only. Yes or no? So all students are getting a confusion here. Light year is not a time. Light year is not a time. It is length only. It is a length only. It is IIT beta. Okay. So here light year is distance or time. Light year is distance or time. You have to identify light year is one distance. It is not a time. Light can travels in vacuum in 1 year. Okay, light can travels in vacuum medium in 1 year. So we have to identify this condition. Sunlight. Okay, sunlight. sunlight we have to consider that light energy transfers through vacuum medium. Transfers through vacuum medium. We have to identify this condition. Okay, vacuum medium. Okay, transfers through vacuum medium. How much time? 1 year. How much time it can travel transfers through vacuum medium? 1 year. Okay, just identify here. Time they given time equal to 1 year. Time equal to 1 year. Here speed of light. Speed of light is constant. 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Okay, students, just identify here. Sun is one self-luminous body. That body can produce light itself. This light energy can transfer through that vacuum medium up to, okay, infinite distance in 1 year. Up to infinite distance in 1 year. So you have to calculate that distance value. What is that infinite distance? It is a very large distance. Yes or no? You are finding that multiple values, multiple distance. So what is that light year distance you have to calculate? So just observe here, students. Formula for speed. Formula for speed. Speed equal to distance divided by time. Distance divided by time. You have to identify this formula is very small formula, simple formula. So in our general life, we have to use this formula. So during driving time, you can observe this speed of vehicle in a speedometer. Okay, 60 kilometer per hour, 70 kilometer per hour, and 100 kilometer per hour means what? Speed. Speed means kilometer means distance. Hour means time. Distance divided by time. Yes, sir. So general in our general life we have to use this formula speed. Okay, speed equal to here distance equal to distance equal to speed into time. Distance equal to speed into time. But speed value how much? Here speed equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Just we have to write 3 into 10 to the power of 8 and time value 1 year. 1 year equal to how many days? 365, 1/4 day. You have to write 365. Okay, so days we have to directly we have to write 365 days. 365 day. 1 day equal to how many minutes? 1 day equal to how many minutes? Just identify. 1 day equal to 1 day equal to 24 hours. Okay, 1 hour equal to how many minutes? 1 hour equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. 60 minutes. But 1 minute equal to how many seconds? 1 minute equal to how many seconds? You have to write 24 into 60 into 60. Okay, second. 60 into 60 second. But here you have to identify 60 is also 3,600. 24 into 3,600. 24 into 3,600 value equal to how much? 86,400 seconds. 86,400 seconds. We have to substitute that values in this uh, day. Then you are getting that final answer. You have to write 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second into here 365 into 86,400 seconds. Okay, that value equal to how much? So that value equal to 9.12 into 10 to the power of 15 meter. So here distance, the distance equal to how much? 1 light year. The distance equal to 1 light year. Just identify this point, students. What is the meaning of light year? Light year means distance traveled by light through vacuum per 1 year is called as light year. Light year equal to how much? 9.12 into 10 to the power of 15 meters. Okay, students, note down this value. It's also very important value. What is that value? 9.12 into 10 to the power of 15 meters. Note down. Okay, these all are multiple practical unit of length. Now we want to find out submultiple practical unit of length. Submultiple practical unit of length. So, note down this point. Okay, now just identify. Now it is one atom. One atom. Atom means in chemistry already you learned this meaning of atom. Atom means it is indivisible. This point explained that Kanathan. But after that, Rutherford, J.J. Thomson can explain this point. Atom can divisible with the subatomic particles. With the subatomic particles. That subatomic particles arranged inside atom. Here, just identify a center of atom is called as nucleus. The center of atom is called as a nucleus. Okay, just identify this one. So center of atom is called as a nucleus. Okay, here nucleus consists of nucleons. Nucleus consists nucleons. Here, identify that nucleons inside nucleus. One is a proton, another one is neutron. Okay, remaining particles also we have to consider inside the nucleus. But that particles all are massless particles. But all particles are massless particles. Only we have to consider two particles. One particle proton, another particle neutron. Okay, students, don't forget this point. Nucleus consists proton and neutron. Here, separation distance between, sorry, here diameter of nucleus. Here, diameter of nucleus is called as 1 Fermi. Diameter of nucleus is called as 1 Fermi. Just identify this point. Fermi means it is one practical unit of length. Okay, it is very small length. This small length we can calculating with the help of microscope. Okay, na? So spectroscopes, electrospectroscopes. Okay, here with the help of electrospectroscopes, we have to find out this Fermi. Okay, here Fermi means 10 to the power of minus 15 meter. Fermi means 10 to the power of minus 15 meter. It is very, very small like that. We cannot identify directly with our eyes. This value we can just identify. This value 1 Fermi equal 10 to the power of minus 15 means 0.00000. After 14 zeros, we have to, sorry, after 13 zeros, we have to keep that 15. Means this value is very small value. This value is very small value. You have to identify. Diameter of nucleus. Diameter of nucleus is called as a Fermi. Diameter of nucleus is called as a Fermi. 1 Fermi equal to how much? 10 to the power of minus 15 meter. Next one, our scientists explain this radius of atom. Radius of atom. So just identify that radius of atom. Radius of atom, how much? 1 angstrom. 1 angstrom value equal to 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. Here 10 to the power of minus 10 is submultiple value. 10 to the power of minus 10 is 1 submultiple value. This so submultiple value is used to calculate small length. 1 angstrom equal 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. An angstrom means it is one submultiple practical unit of length. Submultiple practical unit of length means our scientists explain this radius of atom with the help of 1 angstrom. 1 angstrom value equal to 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. So we have to express this. So submultiple value in centimeters also. You have to write this value 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter. Okay, students, you identify this point. Here, multiples and submultiples we have to use in a practical unit of length. In a practical unit of length. So first one astronomical unit, second one light year. But here we have to identify Fermi. Fermi is very small length. We can consider that length is equal to diameter of nucleus. Here 1 angstrom means the radius of atom. Radius of atom in angstrom that is equal to 10 to the power of minus 10 meter. So here we have to express this 10 to the power of minus 10 meter as 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter. Note down these values. Okay, students, now we have to discuss one small length. It's not a small length, it is one large value, 1 parsec. 1 parsec. 1 parsec equal to 3.26 light years. 3.26 light year. 1 parsec value equal to 3.26 light year. But 1 light year value how much? 3.26. 1 light year value 9.12 into 10 to the power of minus 15 or plus 15? Plus 15. You have to multiply this value and you are getting the final answer. What is the 1 parsec value? 3.26 light years. This value can represent it is the biggest unit of distance. It is the biggest unit of distance. Okay, so find out that value 3.26 into 9.12 into 10 to the power of 15. 10 to the power of 15. So during calculation time, first you can separate these submultiple values. Then you have to multiply. So just identify 326 into 912. 912 into 10 to the power of minus 4 into 10 to the power of 15. 10 to the power of 15. 10 to the power of minus 4 into 10 to the power of 15 value equal to how much? Into 10 to the power of 11. Just identify 912 into 326. 6 2 jars 12, 1, 6 1 jars 6 plus 1 7, 6 9 jars 54, 54 plus 1 55. Next 2 2 jars 4, 2 1 jars 2, 2 9 jars 18. 3 2 jars how much? 3 2 jars 6, 3 1 jars 3, 3 9 jars 27. Okay, find that final answer. 2, 11, 1, 1, 6 plus 1, 7, 8, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 4, 1. 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 5, 17, 1. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. 9. So here we can just identify this value. So 29, sorry, 2,97,412. So right here, 2 lakhs, okay, 97,412 into 10 to the power of minus 4 into, sorry, here we have to write 10 to the power of 11. 10 to the power of 11. Understood, students? You have any doubt is there? Now we can write this value after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. After 5 digits, you have to keep this. Okay, after 5 digits, we have to keep 1 point. 2.98. After 5 digits, sorry, after 5 digits, we have to keep a point. Then we have to multiply with multiples. 10 to the power of 5. 10 to the power of 5. 2.98 into 10 to the power of 5 into 10 to the power of 11. 10 to the power of 5 into 10 to the power of 11 value, how much? 10 to the power of 16. 2.98 into 10 to the power of 16 meters. It is the final answer. Note down, students. But did you any mistake? Yeah, 9.46, Nana. It's not 9.12, 9.46. 946. 946. 946. 946 into 326, we have to multiply. Just once again, we have to do this problem. 326 into 946. Just change that value. Light year value. Light year value, how much? We got 9.46 nano. Note down this one. One light year equal to 9.46 into 10 to the power of 15 meter. 10 to the power of 15 meter. Here, apply that condition. 946 into 326. Calculation part is very, very important for accurate answer. Okay, here 2 6 jars 12, 1, 2 4 jars 8, 8 plus 1 9, 2 9 jars 18. So direct 6 6 jars 36, 3 6 4 jars 6 4 jars 24, 24 plus 3 27, 2 6 9 jars 54, 54 plus 2. Okay, 54 plus 2 56. 3 6 jars 18, 1 3 4 jars 3 4 jars 12, 12 plus 1 13. Okay, so 3 9 jars 3 9 jars how much? 27. 27 plus 1 28. So find out answer. 2 9 plus 6 how much? 15. 9 plus 6 15. 15 1 we have to keep. 1 plus 8 value 9. 9 plus 7. 9 plus 7 16. 16 plus 8. 16 plus 8 24. 4 2. 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 6 5 plus 6 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 1. So here, so 14. So 4, 1. 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 4, 1, 6 days, 3, 4, and 3 lakhs 42,452. So right here, 3 lakhs 42,452 into 10 to the power of minus 4 into 10 to the power of 15. Now we have to keep that point after 5 digits. So here, what is the power value? Minus 4. So we have to write 34.2452 into 10 to the power of 15. Now we have to increase 1 point after 1 digit. So just write 3.42452 into 10 to the power of 16. 10 to the power of 16 meter. So it is a accurate answer. Oh, you have to apply that rounding of condition. Okay, rounding of condition. So what is that rounding of condition here? I have to write 3.42. 3.42 into 10 to the power of 16 meter. 1 parsec. 1 parsec value equal to 3.42 into 10 to the power of 16 meters. Note down this value. It's very important. Multiple practical unit of time. 1 parsec value equal to how much? 3.142 into 10 to the power of 16 meter. Okay, students. Now we have to discuss measurement of time. Next, we have to discussing about that practical unit of mass. Practical unit of mass. Sorry, practical unit of time and practical unit of mass. Just identify this point. Practical unit of time. Practical unit of time. First, we have to discuss multiple practical unit of time. Multiple practical unit of time. Multiples. What are the multiples? Our scientists explained. Okay, we have to discuss first. First one solar day. 1 solar day. Or 1 solar day. One. Wait. First one we have to discussing about that. Full sentence. 1 mean solar day. 1 mean solar day. 1 mean solar day equal to 24 hours. 1 mean solar day equal to 24 hours. Don't forget this point. 1 mean solar day equal to how much? 24 hours. Next one lunar month. 1 lunar month. 1 lunar month. 1 lunar month value equal to 27.3 day. So it is a wrong day. 24. Correct. 24 hours. Here 1 lunar month. 1 lunar month equal to 27.3 days. 27.3 days. 1 mean solar day equal to 24 hours. Next one, we have to discuss this hour and day. 1 hour. 1 hour equal to how much? 60 minutes. 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. But 1 minute value 60 seconds. Just write 60 minutes means 60 into 60 seconds. 60 into 60, that is equal to how much? 3600 seconds. 1 hour equal to 3600 seconds. Same as it is, we have to find out 1 day. 1 day equal to how much? 1 day equal to, here, one mean solar day. One mean solar day we have to represent 24. Our means how much? 3600 seconds. Okay, 24 into 3600, 86,400 seconds. One mean solar day equal to how much? 86,400 seconds. It is the one multiple value. Okay, so we have to use this mean solar day in our mathematical language. Okay, understood? No doubt? One mean solar day how much? 86,400 second. 1 hour equal to 3,600 second. The next, 1 minute. 1 minute equal to how many seconds? 60 seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Note down. One minute equal to 60 second. Next one, 1 nanosecond. Nanosecond we have to represent symbol 1s. 1 nanosecond value 10 to the power of -9 second. It is the smallest time. So one smallest time only. Okay, smallest unit of time. 1 nanosecond. Nano means 10 to the power of -9. Okay, second. 10 to the power of -9 represents submultiple. Second represents unit. Okay, 1 nanosecond means 10 to the power of -9 second. Okay, this is the smallest value of time. Okay, understood, students? Do you have any doubt? So these all are practical unit of time. Practical unit of time. 1 mean solar day, 1 lunar month, 1 hour, 1 minute. Next one, 1 nanosecond. So remaining times also is there. 1 microsecond. 1 microsecond value equal to how much? 10 to the power of -6. 1 millisecond equal to 10 to the power of -3 seconds. Okay, millisecond, microsecond. Millisecond, microsecond. We don't use centisecond. Okay, so milliseconds, microseconds, and sometimes we have to use that centiseconds. Okay, na? So just identify microseconds, milliseconds, 10 to the power of -3 seconds. Okay, so 10 nanoseconds, 10 to the power of -9 seconds. These units generally we have to identify in physics problems. Nanoseconds, microseconds, milliseconds, kiloseconds we don't use. Okay, and what is that? Megaseconds, kiloseconds we don't use. Okay, suitable language only we have to use in physics. Microsecond, millisecond, nanosecond. In case they can use that multiples and submultiples, it's not a wrong. It is also correct only. But repeatedly we have to identify these submultiples only. Micro, milli, nano. Least measured value of time is 10 to the power of -9 seconds. In case they given terasecond, 1 terasecond, 10 to the power of minus how much? Terana, piconana. 1 picosecond. So 1 picosecond value equal to how much? 10 to the power of -12 second. Okay, so you can represent nothing problem, but it is the smallest value compared to nanosecond. Okay, so it is depending on question paper prepared by that teacher. Okay, they given that question, we have to answer it. So smallest unit of time is 10 to the power of -12 seconds, 1 picosecond only. They did not given this unit, so we have to choose nanosecond. nanosecond equal to 10 to the power of minus 9 seconds. Understood, students? We have any doubt? Okay, so these all are so multiples and submultiples, the practical unit of length, the practical unit of time. Next class, we have to discussing about that practical unit of mass. After that, I can complete that worksheet. So this topic is completed. Okay, students, bye.